Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix unable to verify the update of iOS 17. So if you are experiencing some issues with unable to verify your iOS 17 updates, well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to fix this issue step by step, so please watch this video until the end to find out how to do so. Well, what we need to do first in order to fix this issue is to go ahead and make sure that we are connected with a stable internet connection. Now, there are two factors to make sure that we are able to install the iOS 17 softwares properly, and one of those is to make sure that we are connected with our Wi-Fi. So you can actually double check your Wi-Fi connection if you are connected stably and contact your internet service provider to double check if you are experiencing some issues in your local area. So once you've already fixed that issue, one more thing that we should make sure of is that we have a full, or we are currently charging our devices. Now, you got to make sure that you are above 20% and you are not going below the 50% mark before updating your devices, because once, well, your device shuts down on you, you are going to experience lots of different issues, and, well, your update is not also going to be verified if you are using your device and trying to download the software on low battery. So you got to go ahead and charge your device while updating and make sure that you are connected with a stable internet connection. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys did learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.